this is my dismantled wheel, and I've got a problem. When I had it rested on, oh, well, I was doing some work on it and I had it on a cloth, and then the wheel went into free spin, but the cloth got jammed inside the wheel, so managed to sort all that out. But every time I turn the wheel on now, it just wants to go into free spin, even when I've got this on and I use the kill switch. So I've got to use the kill switch to stop it doing anything. As soon as I let go of the kill switch, it just goes into spin. And I don't know what else to do. So if there's any advice out there that anybody can give me, I've taken the wheel apart, I've made sure there's nothing jammed in it, so I've put it back together and it's still doing the same thing. So I will try and demonstrate it. This is just to show, to see if all the cables are in place. I think they're all in the right place. There's no loose cables. But I'll put the handle back on and try and turn it on. So what we'll do, take it off. No, it won't come back, won't come on for a while. So as a power out, overloads, and then it takes a while before you can use it again. So I'll do that in a minute. Well, I've just spoken to Ian at Speedy Feet and he said try recalibrating it, so I'm going to do that. I did try to do it earlier, but I had the V12 stood up, so he said lie it down and then recalibrate it, but be ready just in case it goes into spin, and grab hold of it. So we'll see how we get on. So I'm going to try and calibrate the wheel if it comes on. Let's see how we get on. Nothing's happening now. So we're having problems with turning the wheel back on. Not good. Put it all back together though. And the app's ready, just the wheel's not. The other thing I can try and do is plug it in. So yeah, green light's on that. So oh shit, put the spark there. So it doesn't like something, does it? Alright, got the app on, the Inmotion app. So let's try and calibrate this wheel. Nothing, not even coming on.